Good day, everyone! I am Kati B. Andulong, a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science student. Today, I am going to discuss my prior knowledge about Conic section and the standard form of the equation of a circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Standard form of the equation of a circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. These are the four types of conic section. Before we go through the standard form of each conic section, let us define first what is conic section. Conic section is a particular class of curves which oftentimes appear in nature and which have applications in other fields. One of the first shapes we learn is a circle. It is a conic. When you throw a ball, the trajectory it takes is a parabola. The orbit taken by each planet around the Sun is an ellipse. Properties of hyperbolas have been used in the design of certain telescopes and navigation systems. First conic section is circle. A circle may also be considered a special kind of ellipse. Example, kaning orasan. And then, kining ako, nag-represent siya sa circle. Kining drawing niya sa bus, circle na siya. Standard form for the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h and k is the center and r is a radius. Example, write the standard form equation for the circle with center -4 and -1 and r 5. Given the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Simply replace h by -4, k by -1, and r by 5. So, may mo siyang x minus -4 squared plus y minus -1 squared equals 5 squared. Negative o negative, may mo siyang positive kay multiply man lang. So, may mo siyang x plus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25. Therefore, the standard form of this equation is x plus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25. Next conic section is ellipse. Its shape is a bounded curve which looks like a flattened circle. The orbits of the planets in our solar system around the Sun happen to be elliptical in shape. So, mauna siya. And this cone represents ellipse, kining sa ubos. Standard form for the equation of an ellipse is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1, where a is greater than b. Example, find the standard equation of the ellipse as foci are f sub 1, -3, 0, and f sub 2, +3, 0, such that for any point on it, the sum of its distances from the foci is 10. For any point on the ellipse, the sum of its distances from the foci is 2a. So, ang 2a kay 10 and c is 3. Ang atong a kay 5 and then ang atong b kay 4. Given the standard form, x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. Simply replace a by 5, b by 4, and 5 squared is equals to 25, 4 squared is 16. Therefore, the standard form of this equation is x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 equals 1. Next, conic section is parabola. A symmetrical open plane curve formed by the intersection of a cone with a plane parallel to its side. Example, ang logo sa McDonald's. And this cone represents the parabola. Ang kanang drawing niya muna ang represent sa parabola. Standard form for the equation of parabola is x squared equals negative 4cy, where c is greater than 0. This can be used when the parabola opens downward. So, munang example niya sa opos. Next standard form, x squared equals 4cy, where c is greater than 0. This can be used when the parabola opens upward. So, maunang example niya sa opos. Next, conic section is hyperbola. Its graph consists of two unbounded branches which extend in opposite directions. Example, ang kanang curve sa guitar. And then, kanang cone, represent na siya sa hyperbola. Standard form for the equation of hyperbola is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Example, find the standard equation of the hyperbola as foci are f sub 1 negative 5, 0 and f sub 2 positive 5, 0 such that for any point on it, the absolute value of the difference of its distances from the foci is 6. For any point to the hyperbola, the absolute value of the differences of its distances from the foci is 2a. So, ang atong 2a kay 6, ang atong c kay 5. Therefore, ang atong a kay 3 and then ang atong b kay 4. Given the standard form, x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Substitute a by 3 and b by 4. So, 3 squared is equals to 9, 4 squared is equals to 16. Therefore, the standard form of this equation is x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 equals 1. So, that would be all for now. Thank you and God bless.